This video demonstrates creating a symmetrical split symbol using the Allegro X system capture tool in DE-HDL Library Mode. The symmetrical split symbol is a symbol that has only one symbol graphic, which holds two or more identical logic symbols, each with its own unique physical pin numbers. Let's begin by opening the existing project and double-clicking over the existing library to view or create a new part in the DE-HDL Library Mode. In this demo, we'll walk you through the process of making a 2-input NAND gate, and the package includes all 4 symmetrical gates. Now you're ready to go ahead and create a new split part symbol using the new symbol icon from the library's Explorer pane. Then under Create New Schematic Model pop-up box, specify the symbol's name, and click OK to create a new symbol. The new empty symbol is created with the symbol boundary added to the canvas window. Before drawing the graphical lines, it's best to set the grid. To set the grid, right-click the canvas window and click Grid Settings. If you cannot view the grid lines or dots on the canvas window, choose Edit, Preferences, General, and check for the grid line color. To draw symbol graphics, begin by selecting the Place Line icon from the toolbar, or choose the Place and click on the Line command. Draw the line inside the symbol boundary box. And to draw an arc, click on the Place Arc icon from the toolbar, or choose the Place and click on the Arc command. Draw the arc within the symbol boundary box. Subsequently, reduce the size of that boundary box. The bounding box is what attaches component pins to it. Use the Place Pin command, or a Place Pin icon in the toolbar to place pins inside the canvas window. Assign the pin as A with number 1. Select Input for the pin type and Line for the pin shape. Click Add, and you will notice that the pin is running around edges of the box that sits beneath the component outline. Click on Add Input Pin A, pin is attached to the cursor. This will result in an increase of your pin number by 1, and if your pin name has a numeric value to it, then that too will be increased. So, click once more to add the next pin down. Click on pin number 2 and change the pin name to B. Similarly, click pin number 3 and change the pin name to Y. Change the pin type to Output and pin shape to Circle Line for an inverted output. Then, add the user symbol attributes under the Properties pane. Now let's go ahead and click on the Toggle Symbol Pin Table Visibility icon. To define the power and ground pins, specify the name to ground, the number should be 7, and the type should be Ground Implicit. By selecting the Ground Implicit eliminates the need for manual wiring of a ground symbol in the schematic. It automatically connects pin number 7 to ground. Similarly, add the VCC name and number as 14, and select the type as Power Explicit. We've already completed the first gate. Now, let's work on the remaining 3 by using the Duplicate Section command. This will create section 2 from section 1. Another click will give you section 3. One final click will generate the 4th gate. We've already assigned the pinouts for section 1. For section 2, we can use the Properties pane or switch to the Table view to specify the pin name and number. Additionally, the pinouts can also be assigned through the Package View table. When assigning the device pinouts, make sure you look at your vendor's datasheet to get these pin numbers set correctly. The Symbol section enables you to divide the bulky ICs into various subsections. As illustrated in this demo, we split it into 4 sections. Afterward, add desired user attributes to the package from the Properties pane. To save all the changes, click on the Save All command. That's all the time we have now for this video. Thanks for watching.